Okay, here I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use the My Disney Experience app. So this will be your home page when you first open the app. This is what you'll see. You'll see things such as your upcoming trip, your park pass reservations, theme park times, open times, and a few other little things. If you go to the next little dot over, this is your map. So this is going to show you things like wait times. You can click that show list and it'll list them out for you. You can also filter by park if you'd like. From the little drop down category, you can look for dining options. It'll show you which ones are mobile order. You can also search for character meet and greets and where to find them on the map. If you hit that plus sign down on the bottom, this will bring up a quick menu on where to find dining, order food, make your park reservation, and more. On the very bottom, if you choose My Genie Day, this is what will pop up. So the tip board is the free Genie service. It's going to show you wait times and give you an idea of what it thinks you should do for the day. And then when you slide over to My Day, this is going to be where you actually make your Genie Plus selections on the day of your trip. The search bar is just that, a search. And those three lines on the bottom, it's just another option to find your Genie Day. If you want to do that, it's a little bit quicker sometimes. You can also still order mobile food from here, several other things, just a few ways to get yourself